Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve this and check for x. So 2 minus 2x is less than 2. So we have four options and we are going to check which one is correct. Whether x equals to 0, x less than 0, x greater than or equals to 0 or x greater than 0. So let's start. So what our first step is to separate the variable. So how can I separate? If I eliminate this 2, so we can separate it. So minus 2x less than 2 minus 2. So minus 2x less than 0. So x will be less than 0 equal minus 2 when you divide. 0 with minus 2, you get 0. So the value of x will be always less than 0 in this case. So our option number 2 is correct. I hope it's clear and easy to understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.